Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I will show you how to make Asazuke. Asazuke is easy and quick Japanese pickles. It is like salad served with any meals at any time of the day. It tastes refreshing, full of flavor, and texture is crisp and crunchy. Let's make a natural and tasty Asazuke with me. Let's get started. First things first, let's prepare the brine. Put the Kombu kelp and salt in a small pot and pour water. Cook on low heat until it comes to 60 degrees Celsius. The umami in kombu draws out at the maximum at the temperature 60 degrees Celsius. Next, let's cut the vegetables. Slice cucumber into 5 mm thick. Cut carrot into matchsticks. Cut off the core from the cabbage leaf. Cut into 2 inches rectangles. Slice the core thinly. Cut the leftover young ginger from the previous video. Slice Myoga ginger thinly if you have on your hand. Put everything into a large bowl and toss in the salt. The salt should be 1.5% of all the amount. Place the dish directly on the vegetables and place the weight over it. Leave it 30 to 40 minutes. I want to use lemon as an aromatic. The best aromatic is Yuzu, but it's not the season. Scrub lemon with salt and wash off the agricultural chemicals. Slice thinly and discard the seeds. After 30 minutes, your vegetables look like this, sweat and a little wilted. Rub and squeeze out excess moisture gently, and be careful not to squeeze out all the moisture. Transfer to the sterilized jar. Sliced lemon goes in. Add a piece of dried chili to prevent from bacteria growing. Pour the brine over the vegetables. Loosen up the vegetables with chopsticks and distribute the brine evenly. Marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours, preferably 6 hours. It will last a week in the fridge. This is the Asazuke after 3 hours. Transfer to a small bowl in a small portion. It's still young and the taste is not so strong. Sprinkle toasted sesame seeds and a drop of soy sauce if you want it to. Serve with rice or any meal you want. Sometimes I serve Asazuke with Japanese curry rice. It's like a coleslaw salad and goes well together. You can use almost any kind of vegetables. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Tap the bell icon and you won't miss any of my recipes. Please visit my website for more information. And follow me on my social media for daily update. If you are wondering what kind of ingredients and kitchen tools that I'm using, go to my store on Amazon. All the link is in the description box below. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!